All right, what's going to flow more water? Our quad pack, packed in stone, or this recycled pipe? Look at that. Look at that. What a piece of garbage. It's all made out of garbage. Look at the aggregate. Look at that. Did anybody ever really look hard at how much aggregate there is not in one of these quick and easy drain solutions? Easy to install, but it's just a pile of garbage. Look at how little the aggregate. Oh my God. I mean, what a piece of crap. Look at this. Unbelievable. Look at this. This is garbage. So anyways, I just thought for fun I'd bring this guy into the picture again here. What a joke, man. You can't even, I don't even know how we even still bother having a discussion if that stuff is worth anything. I mean, we're going to move 4 times the water, easy. Well, our pipe, just one of them, will take in 10 times the water. So it's crazy. It's just a piece of junk. It's garbage. And I just wanted you guys to see it sitting on top of one of our quad pack systems. All right, guys. Till the next video.